Take two. We're going to go ahead and do furnace and AC with this. B-width coils furnace, or excuse me, train unit. B-width 41 inches tall. Pretty standard sizing, 4-inch flue. It's tying back here with a 3-inch from the water heater. It does appear that there is a flue liner in there right now, so we're good to go there. Return drop is sort of offset. It's about 30 inches here at the top, but that drops down. It's about 23 and a half right here. 23 by about 9 and a half. With a 1-inch filter housing here, which I'm inclined just to reuse this top section here, and then possibly, I don't know, I'll get with Kyle. We'll see what his thoughts are. Either replacing from that seam down or this seam down. We'll have it in the checklist for you. It's 69 inches from that seam to the floor. Coil's a little more of a challenge. The coil is the plenum, it's all together. And the plenum shoots, it's a hard 90 coming out the back here. So that'll take a little bit more time putting together. Pretty good space around the unit. He's had some lights that have gone out down here, so it's a little dark on this side. So you may want to bring some standalone lighting. Line set we're going to flush and replace. We're doing a 3-ton. We'll do B-width on the coil. Gas shut off. Electrical on the left. Drains are kind of interesting. So there's a copper pipe that's in the ground. There's one there, and there's actually one here as well. This one looks to be, I think, 3/4 inch. This one's a 1/2 inch. Humidifier, we're just going to pull off.